Jayden, what does the dog say? Woof woof. What does the cat say? Meow. What does the cow say? Moo. What about the duck? Quack quack. What does the bird say? Tweet tweet. What does the frog say?
Rabbit.
Rabbit rabbit. Good job. What about the pig? Again? What does the pig say? Oink oink. Good job. What does the elephant? Yeah. What does the elephant say? Wahoo!
Mama.
What does the snake say? Snake say? And the people say
Blah blah blah.
blah blah blah. What about the goat? Goat? What does the goat say?
Mama.
Meh. No. What does the sheep say? No, that's the goat. Silly. What about the lion? Again. You look at the camera. What does the lion say? What does the lion say? What does the lion say? Say hi. Did you say hi to Mickey?
Hi, Mickey.
Hi, Mickey. What about Dora?
Hi, Dora.
What about Jake?
Hi, Mickey.
Hi, Jake. What about Fred Myers? Say hi to Fred. Hi, Fred. Oh, hi to Dora again. Say you hi to Dora. Hi to Dora. Hi, Dora. Oh, say hi to Ate. Hi, Ates. Where's your kalbo, Jayden? Where's your head? If you're happy and you know you stomp your feet, stomp. Yay! Say bye-bye now. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, camera.
Hi, cat.
Bye, cell phone.
Phone.
Mwah.
Ma.
Okay.